Katapos po, sa room ng anak ko, after I finish in my rooms, and the rooms of my son, ito na po, next naman, here, sa aking dining. So, para po, because it's not already, Christmas season is gone, it's finished. So, should have changed it for a new beginning, new year. Everything is new. So, for a change, right? Nakita ko kayo, huwag mo nang ilihim, nakayakap ka pa sa kanya't. Kumusta kayo guys? Kumakanta lang po ako kasi alam nyo ba? Gustong gusto ko talaga yung kumakanta, kaya lang minsan yung boses ko is, hindi siya ganun ka gusto ng mga kanta. Gusto ko sa kanta, ayaw ng kanta sa akin. But I'm not being negative, I have this very strong confidence that, I could do things once you try it. There's no harm in trying. Sometimes maraming mga nadi-disappoint kasi, hindi ko to kaya or what. Pero never pa nilang natatry, di ba? Try it. Kung maging failure ka, it's part of life. Hindi ka matututo, guys, kung hindi ka mag-fail, right? So, sa buhay, maging open-minded ka sa changes, sa failures. Kasi yun yung magpapatatag sa'yo. Sa atin, right? So, huwag kang matakot magkamali. Kasi the more na nagkakamali tayo, makikita mo yung existence mo na, ibig sabihin kaya ako nagkamali. Meron pang ibang plano ang Lord sa buhay ko. So, do not be afraid. Keep on trying because there's no harm in trying. And through trying, we will see our worth. Right? So, ang dami ko sinabi, nagpapalit lang naman ako ng cortina, guys. Yun lang naman yung aking gawain. Tapos, mamaya pa doon naman sa lahat ng aking, Sa huli na yung kwarto ko kasi, my kwarto is my room. Yan lang po yan. Okay na, di ba? Simple lang. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan masyadong pagandahin. It's not all, even how simple our house is. As long as we can make it a home, it's a great thing to consider, right? So, ayun po. Then later, next naman sa aking living area.